Hi, today I'm making sweet and sour chicken. And so this is a weeknight recipe. It's fairly easy to make. One of my favorites. It's actually a dull recipe. You begin with a cup of green bell pepper and a cup of red bell pepper, a half a cup of white onions, and you'll have 2 chicken breasts. Now I've marinated mine in sort of a water salt mixture to hold the moisture. Next, I have a 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks, LaCroix sweet and sour sauce or marinade, and then a bit of oyster sauce. I don't use very much of that. I'm going to season my chicken with Lawry's seasoned salt, garlic powder, and black pepper, which are my staples. I then am going to saute lightly the bell peppers and onion, and then set those aside. So I'm going to add just a little bit of that pepper and garlic powder mixture to it, just a tiny bit. I then saute the chicken. I completely cook that and sit it in a bowl to the side. I'm going to combine back my bell pepper and onion mixture with the chicken mixture and then add the pineapples. Okay, they're drained and we're just going to add the pineapple and not the juice. It is a 1/4 cup of the sweet and sour sauce that I add, and I'm going to stir, as you see here, that all together for about 10 minutes. And as the bell peppers start to soften, and all the juices come together, it's going to cook down great. I add just a dash of oyster sauce just to give it that sort of authentic flavor. I serve this over steamed white rice, and this is definitely a 30-minute meal.